Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky script. Today I am going to continue with our Python package installation playlist. Now I am going to show you how to install Bokeh. Now to install Bokeh, it is very important to have Python installed on your system. So you need to go to this Python download page and you need to download latest version of Python. You can always refer to this video to know how to install Python. Once you have Python installed, you can just simply go to your command prompt. And here if you just simply type python space dash dash version and hit enter, so that's going to show you your Python version. If you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Python on your system. Next thing that you need to do is to check your pip version. So just simply type pip index version pip, hit enter. So that's going to show you list of all the available version of pip, but the most important part is to check the installed version and the latest version of pip. So the installed version is also 25.2 and latest version is also 25.2. So I have latest version of pip. So if you don't have latest version of pip, you need to run this command of python.exe -m pip install --upgrade pip. Hit enter. So in my case, requirement is already satisfied because I already have latest version of pip. In your case, it might require to download and upgrade your pip. So once you have latest version of Python and latest version of pip, now it's time to install any Python package. So let's first clear our screen. So to install Bokeh, just simply type python space -m pip install Bokeh. As simple as that. Hit enter. So that's going to immediately start fetching Bokeh from internet and going to install it locally on our system. So you need to have active internet connection for this. And there you go. So you can see that our Bokeh is rightly installed. So let's close this and go to our Python idle shell and verify our Bokeh version. So just simply type importlib.metadata. Hit enter. Next, let's print Bokeh version. So print importlib.metadata.version, and then within bracket and single quote, just simply type Bokeh. Hit enter. So that's going to give you this Bokeh version, that is version 3.7.3. So if you are getting this type of prompt, and all that basically means is you have successfully installed Bokeh on your system. Do check out our cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code for all these videos are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.